Grooving and turning inserts for high productivity. TB. TB inserts are three-corner grooving and turning tools for various applications. Their chip breakers provide excellent performance during machining, and the inserts are clamped rigidly to their holders in a double step with first screws and then clamps. Improved clamping stability reduces vibrations during machining, resulting in fewer burrs. In grooving and parting off, improved chip evacuation leads to excellent surface finish. The TB inserts are equipped with a universal grade with strong resistance to wear and chipping, applicable for a wide range of workpieces, including carbon steel and stainless steel. Cutting load is minimized in high-speed and feed machining, while stable chip control improves tool life and surface finish. Maximum 6.5mm deep machining is available with the TB inserts, and round bars can be cut off up to 13 pi. They also perform exceptional chip breaking not only in grooving and parting off, but in turning applications, delivering great surface finish and machinability. The strong clamping system inhibits tool vibrations even in highly interrupted machining to reduce chipping and insert breakage.